Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the reset now. First, make sure the iPhone is plugged in or at least 50% charged so it won't die mid-reset. Back up everything to iCloud or to your computer so you can restore later. This preserves photos, messages, and app data. Next, go to Settings and sign out of your Apple ID and disable Find My iPhone. This authorizes a full factory erase. Once done, you're ready to erase the device. Now you'll perform the actual erase. Open Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, then tap Erase all content and settings. Follow the on-screen prompts and enter your device passcode and Apple ID password when requested. The phone will prepare the erase, reset network settings, and wipe user data. This can take several minutes. Make sure you remain on Wi-Fi and keep the device connected to power so the process completes without interruption. After the erase, you'll be greeted by the iOS Setup Assistant. You can set up as new or restore from the backup you just made. Choose iCloud or connect to your computer. If Activation Lock asks for the previous Apple ID, sign in with that account. This prevents unauthorized resets. If the device stalls or gets stuck during activation, force restart it and try again, or connect to a computer and use Finder or iTunes to restore. That one troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.